Hey, how are you? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today I will tell you how to get car insurance quota, life insurance quota, and all this quota from your home in USA and other countries. So let's start our tutorial without any further wastage of time. So simply go to Google and type here www.saliments.com. Saliments.com. Here you will land on the page Saliments Worldwide. In this you will get auto insurance, property insurance, health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, personal accident, travel insurance, and foreign services from this website. All these insurance in this website. So just simply if you want auto insurance, click on auto insurance. Let's see international car insurance. It's almost cover all countries, including USA, Europe, UK, Africa, in Italy, Germany, Kenya, Netherlands, America, Mexico. You are seeing discover all these countries, approximately all the countries in this world, approximately all the big country. Let's see international insurance solution for organization. We have to come here. Now check get a quota page. Now there is auto insurance, personal property insurance, health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and all these insurance regarding this. First of all, I will tell you how to get auto insurance quota. Simply click this. You will land on this page. Now you have to select which insurance you want: motorcycle insurance, auto insurance worldwide. If you have a motorcycle, you have to click on motorcycle. If you have a four-wheeler, a car, you have to click on auto insurance worldwide. Now it will automatically land on this page. Now click on get an instant quota. You will learn this on this page. You will learn almost overview of all their policies and all their frequently asked questions. I will give you detailed view of all this. So first let's come to how to get quota. Get an instant quota. Waiting with internet problem. Now check if we land. Yes, start. First of all, you have to give your email here. Let me pinch this. You have to give your email, your number of vehicles, number of driver, country, citizenship, are all vehicle registered, employment detail. You have to give all these details here: citizenship, country posted, number of driver, number of vehicles, and click on next. Then click on next. Then you have land on this. Then your quota will be filed and you will get an email within 2 days, within 72 hours, within 24 hours from this company, and you will get your quota, how much you have to pay for per month, and you will get if unfortunately your car will get an damage. Now benefits plus feature. Let's detailed discussion on benefits and features. First of all, our international car insurance policy protect against collision, theft and damage, even political violence. It includes the following features and benefit. Sorry. First of all, check it. It's also cover international car insurance. It cover any damage, any theft, any collision, and it also cover political violation. If there is any type of misfortune or any misleading activity in your country and your car got damaged by people in any type of propaganda, you will get insurance broadless coverage. We specialize in car insurance for experts. That's why we offer worldwide coverage so you and your vehicle can cross borders anywhere and still be covered. Some exclusion apply. Now they will cover in all the world protection against uninsured motorized. Now this is another point, political violation coverage. I have tell you that it's covered in political violation, but it is detailed. If your car damage from riot, strike, terrorism, and other perils, you are covered through Silement's exclusive political violation insurance extension included video policy. Now check if you got in terrorism attack, unfortunately strikes, unfortunately perils, you will get your insurance in this way. Accident forgiveness. Your rate stays the same even after your first accident. Clearly mentioned your rate will same after first accident. Very good policy. I think it's a best policy in my point of view, but your point of view will be different. Home country rental car insurance expenses reimbursement. We cover the cost of rental car insurance for $12 per day up to 21 days when renting a car in the US, Canada, or your home country. If you want to rent a car, there will be insurance called rental car insurance. You will get in touch with this website and you will get this insurance. Covered towing and labor reimbursement up to $100 per disablement, up to $300 per policy term. Windshield replacement included. If you broken your windshield, they will replace them. Transit coverage, optical average. That's all there. You start your quota. There is this channel you can visit. Frequently asked question. Almost all question you have in your mind, it will be answered here. Coverage chat here. Auto insurance worldwide in Germany, Italy, Kenya, Mexico, Netherlands, UK, United States. Motorcycle insurance, property insurance. Let me give you overview of property insurance. Now check international property insurance. Protect your most home insurance in the United States. Let me give you overview. Wait a minute. Now there is home insurance. You can get a quota here. Simply get a quota and you will be land on a page, and you will be have to your first name, last name, date of birth, phone number, email, education level, address, coverage information. You want to cover home kind of, date of purchase, home details. Fill all this form and simply submit it, and you will receive an email after 24 hours, after 72 hours. Means all in one insurance do you need is this in website www.sleementsworldwide.com. Insurance, core insurance, health insurance, accident insurance, auto insurance, foreign services, travel insurance, personal accident, all this is in this website. I will be giving you a link in my description box. Please like, share and subscribe this channel if you love this video. And remind me, this is my first off topic video and I will be regularly posting video on fashion, leather boots and all this type of elements. Thanks me later. Regards, fashion lovers.